Does your laptop screen experience sudden damage? Well, repairing a broken laptop screen needs expert assistance. Without proper knowledge, the repair may be complicated. So, immediately contact any trusted and reputed laptop repair service store available near you. Did not figure out which is the best laptop repair store in Covina? You can visit your nearby iTech Xpress store. It is a certified computer and laptop repair store, famous for offering quick repair service. They have a team of professionally trained, knowledgeable and experienced laptop repair technicians who are able to return back your damaged device in proper working condition within the same day. After proper evaluation, they provide a free repair estimate and waiting for your approval. Once you approve the deal, they immediately start processing. They have a great stock of original and authentic spare parts to replace the damaged parts without any hassles. Their guaranteed laptop screen repair service is quite affordable compared to the other local laptop repair service stores. So, what are you waiting for? Contact them right away at 626-777-4747 and make a quick appointment with them. To know more about their laptop repair service, browse through their official website https://itechexpressinc.com/